Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video I have for you. This is how to fix a loose electrical outlet. I installed this one over here. It powers, it's off right now, but it powers my vintage 1930s Cool Spot Type 210 induction fan, and I have a GE clock right here, and that's what this outlet powers up. Now, the first thing to do when you're working on an outlet like this is to obviously turn the power off, even when you're just tightening it up. And this is what I'm dealing with here. I have this outlet wired to a plug or a cord here. So, well, if your situation is different, you can go to that breaker box and shut that breaker off to whatever outlet you're working on. Because I can plug something in here like this fan and flip the switch on and it won't work, which means the power's off. Anyway, unplug it just to be safe. Don't get shocked, because you never want to work on electrical stuff like this and get yourself shocked. Well, the tool you're going to need is just a simple flathead screwdriver, at least in my situation, and then you're going to loosen, let me zoom out here. You're going to loosen the screw holding the wall plate to the outlet itself. And there's your outlet. Let me just see how this will go here. Yes, for all of those of you who are curious, I did turn the power off. See how it's loose like that? It's not supposed to be like that. So what you do is where's my screwdriver? You take your screwdriver and you tighten up these screws. Careful. Oops. This box that this outlet is installed on, it actually came out of one of the rooms in my house. My house was built in the 70s, 1972, and that's why I have a brown electrical box. So, level your outlet. I didn't do mine. Level it straight. Oops. And now you're going to, yes, I know this wall plate has a crack in it, but you sometimes have to mess with it. Please don't fall out. If you have one of these electrical wall plates, please make sure it has a screw holder still in it, because these screw holders, they fall out. So what you're gonna do is center your wall plate on like this, and I'll get the screw started. So you just tighten it up. Not too tight because you don't want to crack the wall plate. There's meant to be a little bit tight. And then you plug in your devices. You can start using your outlet again. Well, now you turn the power on. Turn the power on here. I'm just going to plug this in here. Please don't shock me. There we go. It would be scary if y'all caught me shocking myself on video. That would be hilarious and scary too. But anyway, let's get the camera back on the tripod here. Okay, now that your outlet is live, you can go ahead and plug your stuff back in. The reason I made this video is because some people just look at their electrical outlet and look at it being loose. They're like, that's fine. That's fine. It's supposed to be like that. Well, no, it's not. You're actually wrong. It's not supposed to be like that. Your outlet should not move back and forth. It's terrible for the wires and can actually, meanwhile, cause a fire if you're not careful. So, anyways, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.